A color wheel is the way that we organize colors. So instead of doing a regular round color wheel, we're going to make one like a hexagon. A hexagon is a complex geometric shape that can be made by two trapezoids. Start in the middle of your paper and make a long horizontal line. It should touch almost both ends of the paper. Remember that a trapezoid is like a triangle with the top cut off. So the next two lines are going to be diagonal from each side of the line you just drew. Then you're going to close the top. Flip your paper over and you're going to do exactly the same thing. Now that you have a nice hexagon made by two trapezoids, you're going to make a letter X going from your top left corner down to the bottom right. And again from the top right to the bottom left. You want to try to make it so there's no teeny tiny triangle in the middle. Because this is a second grade color wheel and not a kindergarten color wheel, we're going to make it a little bit more fun. So on your bottom left triangle, you're going to make 3 lines. Then, from the lines that you just drew, you're going to connect them to the next triangle. Work your way all around the hexagon. It kind of ends up looking like a spider web. Then you're going to add some circles. No more than 5 in each section. The color wheel goes in the order of the rainbow. So you're going to take all of your crayons out. And first you're going to find the red. Your whole first triangle is going to be red, but to make this more interesting, we're going to add some values, the lightness and darkness of a color. So maybe the first one is really dark, and the next one not so dark, maybe a little lighter. This also creates a value scale where you're going from dark to light. The second color in the rainbow is orange. So you're going to pick out the orange crayon and do the same thing. You're going to go dark, a little bit lighter, and as light as you can go. You can get a really nice dark by just pressing really hard. I like to outline my spaces before I color them in. Don't press as hard for the next one. Next one's a little bit lighter. Follow rainbow order all around your hexagon. Your next color is yellow. Then green. Then blue. Last one is purple. So you're going to do the same thing throughout the rest of the hexagon, getting a little bit lighter with every space you do. For the circles, you'll go backwards. Your darkest circle should be closest to the lightest one. Now for the dots, go backwards, start towards the middle, and make them as dark as possible. And go a little bit lighter with each one. Then you can decorate the background using a Sharpie and different types of lines. I'm going to use my favorite one, the zigzag.